student. The second lesson we have already completed, the loss spring. Today we are going to start our third lesson, deep water. Before starting the chapter, you must know the meaning of the title. Deep water means the water. It means the water that is not shallow. It means we can say deep water can be found in the deep rivers, that can be found in the deep canals. And this lesson has been written by that William Douglas. And William Douglas was born in 1898 and in 1980 in Maine in Minnesota. After taking the graduate degree in arts, English and economics, he spent 2 years in teaching high school in Yakima. Yakima is the place where we used to teach. But however, he got tired of this and decided to pursue a legal career. He met Franklin D. Roosevelt at Yale and became advisor and friend to the president. In this very lesson, the writer is going to tell about the experience of his life. And whenever he saw the water in the childhood, when he was a small child, whenever he saw the water, he became very much afraid. After reading this passage, first para I am going to start, and after that you can understand, you can know very well about this chapter. So I am going to describe, I am going to explain this very chapter. The first passage. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years. I had decided to learn to swim. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima and offered exactly the opportunity. The Yakima River was teachers most continually warned against it, and keep fresh in my mind the details of each drowning in the river. But the YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, while it was 9 feet deep at the other. The draft was gradual. I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. I hated to walk. It had happened. And in this passage में, when the story is going to be started, इस passage में writer इस बात को बताना चाहता है, when he was a small child, when he was hardly 10 or 11 years, then he is going to describe the experience. He is going to describe the experience of his childhood. तो कह रहा है जब राइटर मुश्किल से 10 या 11 साल का था, तो कह रहा है उसने जो था स्विमिंग करने का, कह रहा है उसने स्विमिंग करने का इरादा किया था. इट मीन्स वो स्विमिंग करना चाहता था, उसने डिसाइड किया था इस बात के लिए. कह रहा है यहाँ पर YMCA, कह रहे हैं दैट देयर वाज ए पूल एट द YMCA. YMCA यंग मैन क्रिश्चियंस एसोसिएशन. एक्चुअली क्या है कि ना याकमा रिवर देयर वाज एक पूल था याकमा रिवर में, और कह रहा है इस पूल में ही उसके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. वो यहाँ पर स्विमिंग कर सकता था अच्छे तरीके से, क्योंकि याकमा रिवर जो थी बहुत ज़्यादा टीचर्स थी. व्हाट डू मीन बाय द टीचर्स मीन्स डिसेप्टिव, धोखा देने वाली थी, बहुत ज़्यादा गहरी थी. उसकी मदद हमेशा उसको इस बात की वार्निंग देती रहती थी, हमेशा इस बात को उसके कह रहा है कि दैट कैप्ट फ्रेश इन माई माइंड डिटेल ऑफ ड्रॉनिंग इन द रिवर. उसकी माँ हमेशा इस बात की वार्निंग देती थी, चेतावनी देती रहती थी कि उसे याकमा रिवर से दूर रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे, क्योंकि हमेशा इस रिवर में ड्रॉनिंग का डर रहता था. फिर क्या हुआ था यहाँ पर, बट द YMCA pool was safe. YMCA pool I have already told, Young Men Christian Association, यानी YMCA में जो था यंग मैन एक पूल था जो बहुत सेफ था तैरने के लिए. इट वॉज ओनली 2 or 3 feet deep द शैलो एंड, और कह रहे हैं मुश्किल से ये 2-3 फीट गहरा था. एंड वाइल इट वॉज 9 feet deep एट द अदर, और दूसरे साइड में कम से कम 9 feet में गहराई थी इसकी. द ड्रॉप वॉज ग्रेजुअल, और इस तरीके से यहाँ पर जो ड्रॉप वगैरह थी वो थोड़ी मतलब ड्रॉप वॉज ग्रेजुअल. यहाँ पर जो फ्लो था वाटर का बहुत हल्के था. ग्रेजुअल मीन्स दैट वॉज स्लो. I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. और इस तरीके से राइटर जो होता है वो कहाँ अपने वाटर विंग्स लेने के बाद में कहाँ चला जाता है, पूल जाता है. I hated to walk, बड़ा उससे नफरत होती थी, यानी वो कहना नहीं चाहता था. इसके बावजूद भी फिर भी जो है राइटर इस बात के लिए मीन्स फिर भी राइटर जो है वहाँ पर चला जाता है. So, after reading this very passage, we have come to know, after this very passage, we have come to know when the writer was 10 or 11 years old, then simply he had decided to swim. And he wanted to know how to swim in the river. But that there was one pool was there, YMCA pool was there, that was the Young Man Christian Association pool in the Yakima River, and that pool was safe for swimming because there was no water, there was not water very much deep, it was shallow. But the writer that was 2 or 3 feet, that we can say that maybe the 2 or 3 feet deep, and it may be the on the other hand 9 feet deep on the other hand. The flow of the water was very slow. On the other hand, the river of Yakima was very deceptive for the writer because it was very much deep, and the writer could not swim in that very river. The writer's mother always gave him warning. The warning was that you should not go to the Yakima river because there may be the fear of the drowning, and so many people have drowned in that very river. So the writer's mother always advises him that only that writer's mother advises him that the pool is safe for him for the swimming. But when the writer entered that very pool, while he was going there, he hated to walk there and went into it and show my skinny legs, but I subdued my pride and I did. Whenever the writer entered this very pool, that his skin was seen because whenever he entered that very pool, he has put off his clothes and his body can be seen very easily. But I subdued my pride and I did. I subdued my pride. What do you mean by the subdued? The writer controlled his pride, and after controlling his pride, he entered the pool, and why he entered the pool? Because he wanted to swim in that very pool. The first passage, the first paragraph is clear that that why some questions may be there regarding that very chapter. That when the writer decided to swim, how many years old he was? Yes, very nice. That he was 10 or 11 years old. Why the Yakima river was very deceptive, why the Yakima river was treacherous for the writer? Because it was too much deep, and the flow of the water was very fast, and so many people have drawn it. Very good. Next question is there, why the YMCA pool was safe for the writer for swimming? Because there was the water. Yes, because the water was shallow, it may be the 2 or 3 feet deep, and the other end it may be the 9 feet. So this is the best opportunity for the writer to swim in that very pool. Although the writer hated to go there, but still he went into the pool, and after that he controlled his pride, and after that he entered in that very pool and he started to swim. First passage is clear. Now I'm going to start second paragraph. From the beginning, however, I had an awakens to the water when I was in it. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old, and father took me to the beach in the California. He and I stood together in the surf. I hung on it, yet this was the wave walked on me down and swept over my. I was buried in water, my teeth was on, I was frightened. Father laughed, but there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the water. From the beginning, शुरुआत से क्या था? However, I had an aversion. यानी beginning से ही राइटर को बहुत ज़्यादा aversion हो रहा था. What do you mean by the aversion? यानी बहुत ज़्यादा उसको डर लग रहा था. जब वो पानी में गया था, जब वो पानी के अंदर था, तो उसे बहुत ज़्यादा he was very much afraid. जब उसने तैरना शुरू किया था, इसके बाद this started when I was 3 or 4 years old. जब मैंने इसमें तैरना शुरू किया था, तो शायद मैं कम से कम राइटर 3 या 4 साल का था, एंड अनदर टुक मी द बीच इन द कैलिफोर्निया. एंड इसके बाद जो है उसके फादर कहाँ ले जाते हैं? बीच में ले जाते हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द बीच? बीच का मीनिंग क्या होता है? एक झील में ले जाते हैं कैलिफोर्निया की. ही एंड आई कह रहा है जब वहाँ पर हम लोग खड़े हुए थे, वो अपने फादर के साथ वहाँ खड़ा हुआ था, तो कह रहा है आई हंग ऑन टू हिम, और मैं उनके पास लटका हुआ देख रहा था, येट द वेव्स नॉक्ड मी डाउन एंड स्वेप्ट ओवर मी। जब मैं उन लहरों को देख रहा था तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये लहरें जो है मुझे क्या कर रही हैं, नॉक कर रही हैं। यानी इसका मतलब राइटर उन लहरों को देखने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था, वेव्स को देखने के बाद, और ऐसा लग रहा था उसके लिए दैट आई वॉज बरीड इन द वाटर। ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं पानी के अंदर बिल्कुल डूब गया हूँ, बिल्कुल पानी के अंदर फंस गया हूँ। एंड मेरी सांस बिल्कुल रुक गई थी, मैं इतना ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था। मेरे फादर जो है हंसने लगे थे, बट देयर वाज कह रहे हैं माई हार्ट एट द ओवरपावरिंग फोर्स ऑफ द वाटर। लेकिन इसके अलावा बट देयर वाज कह रहा है इसके अलावा भी जो है बहुत ज़्यादा उसके हार्ट में कह रहा हो रहा था, बहुत डर हो रहा था एट द ओवरपावरिंग फोर्स ऑफ द वाटर्स। यानी इतनी ज़्यादा पावर हो रही थी वाटर की, इतना ज़्यादा पावरफुल वाटर था कि इसकी वजह से राइटर बहुत ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था, उसके दिल में डर बैठा हुआ था। So after reading in the second passage, you have come to know that the writer was very much afraid, and when he was in the water, that very time he was too much afraid. When the writer started, and when the writer started to swim, that very time he was 3 or 4 years old, and he went to the California beach to his father. He and his forefather both were standing there, and that very time when the waves were moving very fast, that very time the writer thought that he was going to bury. And you know, when he was with the writer, when he was with his father in the water, that very time when he was hanging in the water with his father, that very time he was very much afraid. And you know that his breath, he thought that his breath had gone away. Simply he had stopped his breath, and he was too much afraid. His father was laughing, and but the fear was in his heart. And because the power of the waves was too much, that was very much powerful. Because that in the second passage you have to know, in the second passage that when did the writer started to swim? Yes, the writer started to swim when he was 3 or 4 years old. And when did the writer go with his father? The writer, yes, very nice. The writer went to the California beach to his father, and when he was hanging with his father was in the water. That very time the writer was very much afraid, and simply he thought that he was going to bury in the water. And he has gone into the water. So that after seeing the waves, that the writer's heart was too much afraid. He thought that the waves were very, very much fearful for him. So after that, after next my introduction to the YMC swimming pool received unpleasant memories and started childish fears, but in a little while I gathered confidence. I paddled with my new water wings, watching the other boys and trying to learn by tapping them. I ate this 2 or 3 times on a different days and was just beginning to feel at ease in the water when the misadventure happened. My introduction to the YMC swimming pool received unpleasant memories. जब भी कह रहा है मेरा जो कोई अगर मुझसे पूछता है, जब भी मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ YMC पूल के स्विमिंग पूल के बारे में, तो ऐसा लगता है कि आज भी जो है राइटर की मेमोरीज जो थी उसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा अनप्लेजेंट थी। यानी उसकी मेमोरीज बहुत ज़्यादा उसके बारे में बहुत खराब ही मेमोरी रही होगी, जो उसकी यादें रही होंगी वो अच्छा नहीं रही होंगी। एंड स्टिल चाइल्डिश फियर्स, और शायद आज भी वो यादें, यानी अगर उन मेमोरीज को वो याद करता है, उनको याद करने के बाद तो उसके दिमाग में आता है कि वो जो बचपन वाला डर है वो फिर से उसके सामने वो बढ़ने लगता है। बट इन ए लिटिल वाइल आई गैदर्ड कॉन्फिडेंस, लेकिन धीरे धीरे क्या होता है उसके साथ में कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगता है, एक विश्वास होने लगता है। एंड आई पैडल्ड विद माई न्यू वाटर विंग्स वॉचिंग द अदर गाइस, और मैंने कोशिश की थी अपने जो वाटर विंग से, और इस तरीके से स्लोली उसके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगता है। एंड आफ्टर दैट क्या है 2-3 टाइम्स कह रहा है टू लर्न द एपिंग देम, आई डिड 2-3 टाइम्स ऑन द डिफरेंट डेज, और अलग अलग दिनों तक उसने कोशिश की थी। बिगनिंग टू फील ईज इन द वाटर व्हेन मिस एडवेंचर हैपेंड, और इस तरीके से जब उसकी शुरुआत होती है वाटर में, तो क्या उसके साथ में मिस एडवेंचर हुआ था, हैपेंड हुआ था, वो सारी चीज़ें बताना नहीं चाहता है। फिर कहता है नेक्स्ट पैसेज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, आई वेंट टू द पूल वेयर नो वन एल्स वाज देयर, द प्लेस वाज क्वाइट, द वाटर वाज स्टिल and the tide bottom was as white as clean as the warmth timid about going to a home, so I sat on the side of the pool to wait for the others. कह रहा राइटर इस बात को बताना चाहता है कि जो फर्स्ट टाइम वो पूल में गया था, कह रहा जब वहाँ पर कोई भी नहीं था, प्लेस बिल्कुल क्वाइट था. क्वाइट एवरीबॉडी नोज बेटा कि बिल्कुल खामोश प्लेस था, वहाँ पर खामोशी अभी भी थी. यहाँ तक कि जो था एंड द टाइटल बॉटम वॉज वाइट एंड क्लियर एज द वाटर, और जो उसका वाटर का जो बॉटम था यानी वो बिल्कुल ऐसा ही नीट एंड क्लीन दिख रहा था जैसे कि बाट तक का हम जो बॉटम देखते हैं ऐसे ही उसका बॉटम भी दिख रहा था. बिकॉज नोबडी वॉज प्रेजेंट देयर, ओनली द राइटर वॉज देयर. सो कह रहा आई वॉज टिमिड अबाउट गोइंग इन एंड सो आई सैट ऑन द साइड ऑफ द पूल टू वेट अदर्स. इसलिए राइटर की इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती कि वो उसके किनारे बैठ जाता है और वेट कर रहा था कि कोई नया कोई आए, कोई भी वहाँ नया थर्ड पर्सन आए उसके साथ शायद वो स्विमिंग करना जाए. तो बेटा आफ्टर रीडिंग इन दिस पैसेज वी हैव कम टू नो when the writer reached to the pool, that very time he was alone there, nobody was there, the place was completely quiet. That was, there was a loneliness. You know, the writer was too much afraid going to the water because he has childish fear in the beginning, but actually he was having the timid feelings, and you know the water was looking for him as clean as we can see the bottom tub of the bathtub, etc. So the writer sat on the bank of the pool, etc. and he was waiting for the others that simply anybody could come and simply he could go with him into the water. Thank you, have a nice day.